Okay, so first we're going to make a table. As long as you're logged into Google Docs, you can go to your drive, which holds everything that you've made in the past, and then let's create a document. So create document. And then from here, we can make a table. So basically what you do is you go to table, insert table, and then there's like just a nice little grid that it makes for you, and you can do any sorts of dimensions. So here's one, and it's pretty simple. Yeah, you can just type whatever you need. You tab to go to the next box. You can just click around. You can also resize them, and that's a table. Okay, so to make a Venn diagram, you're going to have to put something in your add-ons. It's called Lucidchart diagrams. And that's one great thing about Google Docs is you can add like free apps into your add-ons that help you customize your doc. So let's click Create once you download Lucidchart. And they have a ton of options, but let's just do the Venn diagram since that's on your homework. You can rename it, so I'll go ahead and just do that now. Alright. So basically it's all created for you. I'm just going to change it to kind of look like your homework assignment. So Cardinals fans, Rams fans, and then Blues fans in the right-hand corner. You can change gradients and everything on this. There's a lot of different things. Like if you wanted to explore, go for it. But for the sake of a tutorial, I'm just going to resize it like we can do. I think it's a little bit resized in your homework. Pretty simple. And then we'll change the color because it's all blue in your homework. So we'll just make them all blue. And also, theoretically, this other application is a part of your Google Doc and in your add-ons. So it should save directly after you just click Save and Close. So we're going to try that. So there it is. It popped up on the right-hand side bar where the app is. And you just click Insert. And it'll load it onto your Google Doc. Perfect. And just like a text box on Microsoft Word and everything, or Graphs too, you can click it and change the size to let it better format to your document. Okay, so now we're going to make a graph. Basically, you have to go back to your drive and create a spreadsheet. So it's a lot like Microsoft Excel. This is what it looks like, so very similar if you're familiar with that. I actually created another one, so this is all the information that's going to be on the graph that we're going to make. It's also the information that's all on your homework. So all the data and the categories and stuff. First, go to Insert and then Chart after you add all the information. And basically this is how, so this is a horizontal graph, or you can do the vertical, which is what we're going to do, or the line graph, which is what we asked for in your homework, I believe. But for now we'll stick on the bar graph. You can customize it, so you can change the title. It's not really necessary right now, but just so you know you can. And then you can change the labeled axes of each. I'm going to skip that. And then you can also change the color. So I'm fooling around. It's green in your homework, I believe, the Rams are, so I'll just change it now. You can also change it right here, so see the paint bucket. And then what you do after this, there will be a button in the top right, and you're just going to save the image to your computer. So mine's in my downloads now. X that out. And I personally like it on my desktop, so I'm just going to drag it to my desktop. And then you go back to your document. And this is also how you go to Insert Image, and this is also how you insert pictures. You just drag and drop, basically. And once again, you can resize it and everything to make it fit your page.